Welcome back to another tech tip video. Today we'll be talking about 3 AI-powered assistants that you can implement into your meetings today. So what exactly can these tools do? They provide real-time transcription, track action items, and make it easy to keep everyone on your meetings accountable. And they summarize everything so you get a clear overview of each meeting's main points. Let's highlight a few popular options. 1. Firefly's AI, and it's a fan favorite. It transcribes meetings live, it lets you search keywords in the recording, and it even integrates with apps like Zoom, Google Calendar, and Slack. 2. Microsoft Copilot. If you're using Microsoft 365, Copilot is built right in and integrates directly with Teams. In Teams, Copilot automatically transcribes your meetings and summarizes key points and even creates a quick recap, all without leaving the app. And 3. Otter AI. Otter will highlight key phrases and lets you add notes or images to specific sections. This tool also integrates well with Zoom and Microsoft Teams, making it versatile if you switch between platforms. Each of these AI meeting assistants has its strengths, so the best choice depends on what fits your workflow. But one thing's for sure, using AI to handle meeting notes can save you a ton of time. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and as always, stay tuned for more tech tips.